Guys, if you want to gain Tier 1 audience and want a quick growth on social media platform, then this video is for you. Because these videos are literally gaining insane amount of view and the process is really very simple. And subscribe me because I upload daily viral AI trend video tutorial on this channel. But first, take a look at this video which I made in just 2 minutes. So let's start. First, open this prompt link, which have full master prompt ready. You don't have to change anything in this. This is fully automated. Now copy this full master prompt and open any chatbot. I am using ChatGPT. And one more important thing to get the prompt link, drop a comment and I will share the prompt link. Now paste the master prompt here and hit enter. After that, chat will analyze the prompt and give you some color ideas to choose from. Now choose any one you like and type its number and hit send. After that, it will ask you to choose your second color. Again, choose any color and hit send. Now ChatGPT will arrange everything for you and start generating a final master prompt for you. With this master prompt, you can generate video from any AI video generation tool, but I am using Flow AI. Now simply copy this full master prompt and open Flow AI. Here, select the video option and choose Omni Flash as your video model, and select 9:16 ratio for real, and choose your other design setting. Once you feel everything is done, simple paste your master prompt here and hit generate. Flow AI will now start generating your final video. Now let's check the result. One more important thing to get the prompt link, drop a comment and I will share the prompt link. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want a video on any other topic, just drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.